Hi all, welcome to our channel. So previous we discussed about the how we can access Google Search Console. So many things I'm discussed about in a particular website. How we can writing SEO title, description, keyword. Same like that, any particular website, suppose in this particular website, how we can using for alt tag. This is the very important for the alt tag option. So how we can using alt tag in your particular website, how we can accepting for particular operations. So first of all, what is the alt tag? We can know about this option. How to utilize about the alt tag. Alt tag, for example, I'll select in this option, copy this URL. When click for go to images, there are into number of images. In the below they're showing for website. So look into this. Number of websites will be there. So behind wood, so many websites. In this, I have to show my website also will be Google purpose. I have to show you my website will be Google purpose. So in this one, how we can write in this content? How we can write in this content? So here I am selecting for particular videos. So in this videos I'm selecting here. How we can uploading every content will be into the a particular website. First of all, I'm selecting one video. So Radhesham versus RR movie. Copy. We select the post option. Here is the particular category. Movie news. Movie war. Movie news. Movie no. Cinema. Latest updates. Trailer. Releasing date. Teaser. Film reviews. So I can writing this all options will be into the particular things. Next one, the video thumbnail downloaded purpose. I have selecting one website is called here. That is called YouTube-thumbnail-grabber.com. Select it. Click for this option. So what are the title I'm adding here in this option? Just I'm writing this one. So people will be searching in Google. Anyone searching this title into the images, I have to show my website will be into the here option. So what we can do when uploading image time, we can use the where we can download image that we can add from the alt. Same title will be using for same image name. So I'm telling about this. We are writing the methods, not for other. I'm just writing for method option. Method option nothing but so how we can add this content. So how is everything will be I will discuss right here. Just I'm explaining how we can mention for alt tag the image specific name how we can write. This is completely for dynamic procedure. Static wise is completely different. Dynamic wise is completely different. So now I mentioned for only for static pattern for very different. So now I'm showing only for dynamic pattern. Dynamic pattern very easy. When uploading time, image name and your title name both are will be same. After click for submit this option. After submit one, so where you can add the content, select here, click this option. We can check any kind of page source. We have to click for Control U. So how we can searching? Control F, Alt is equal to. So here I'm writing name is called Radhasham versus RR Telugu movie war. So that image I'll give one specific name is called alt tag will be mentioned will be clear. See here. In this particular image, it is called particular name is called alt tag. Any image name, we can specify one particular name for each and every image that is mentioned for the alt, that is called alt tag. An alt tag also known as alt attribute and alt description in the is an HTML attribute applied to image tag to provide a text alternative for search engine. Applying image to all tags such as product photos can positively impact on e-commerce stores search engine ranking purpose. For example, Samsung mobile. There are a lot of mobile will be visible by here. Why? Because there is a mention for all tags in this particular image. There is a mention for the Samsung. So that all will be alt. Some people will be called image title also. There is writing another name is called image title. So two things are very, very important from the particular website adding for the alt tag option. This is complete for dynamic procedure. This is complete for dynamic procedure. Dynamic procedure, everything will be coming to this particular option will be admin panel. Coming to the static procedure, we have to log in for cPanel. We have to log in for cPanel. Same like that, I can show for WordPress also, alt tag. Coming to WordPress, here is option. What is the post you've done by everything here? So you can go to edit. So what are the image you're uploading here? Every image. So here is the image uploading. Every image. There is the right side option. All test. So you can writing for personal loan in Hyderabad. So I will mention will be here. What the page will be? Professional loans. You can go to the loans option. Where is our professional loans? Click here. Control U, Control F, Alt is equal to. So yeah. There is a number of alt tags are here. Yes. Professional loans Hyderabad. How to know this is image. Don't forget, image is your identity. Easily we can find out your alt tag name. So his image will be find out. What the name will be alt tag? Professional loans in Hyderabad. So that is mentioned will be properly. If anybody searching for my loan option into this Google, they can show my website will be images. There is a option will be different for SEO off page. Now I'm discussing about SEO on page, how we can writing these methods. That is called how we can writing for SEO alt tag option in a particular website will be here. So those steps you can follow and update from the alt tag option each and every website by using for WordPress login. So that is a very much of important. When you upload image time, they will mention for title and alt tag to mention properly and show to the particular audience. If any further questions into this WordPress or PHP HTML regarding, you can contact my channel. I definitely will be support you how you can updating for alt tag option on your particular website. Alt tag will be dynamic, very easy. Static will be depend on cPanel option. That all will be go to the particular things and the particular option will be using for cPanel things. So now I'm showing for dynamic from the PHP website for using admin panel. Second will be using for WordPress website using for WordPress admin logins. If any comments about alt tag issues, anything you are facing problem, you can feel free to contact my channel. I definitely will support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.